pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody! Guess what we have? We have lots of mail. You know, my mailman just informed me if I put my mailbox in the front of my house instead of the back, I'll get my mail at 8 a.m. instead of 6 p.m. Guess who's moving their mailbox tomorrow? Alright, this is a tiny little package. This is not what we want. We want the Jeffree Star package, right? Here it is. This should be all 3 of the boxes. Are you excited? I am. Okay, yes I am putting scissors towards me, but I'm being careful. Sort of. Alright. What do we got going on here? Can you guys guess what's in here? I was kind of afraid because it really said true mystery box. And I kind of felt like it hasn't said that in the past when we got them. So I'm a little, you know, concerned. Alright, so it looks like we have the biggest box on top. Then we have Jeffree and all of the velvet lippies. We have my receipt. And then we've got the premium box. And the little box, and then a bunch of pink tissue paper. But you know, I have to look through it to make sure there's nothing else in there. You never know. They might have wanted to give me something else. Alright. This is very little. So we're just going to go through all 3 boxes. Because why do 3 separate videos? I don't see the point. Did you grab your coffee? By the way, I'm Karen. If you're new here, it is a pleasure to have you here. I'm opening the Jeffree Star mystery boxes for Halloween. And I did get 1 of each. And I obviously have no clue what is in them. But I do makeup tutorials, beauty hauls, mostly makeup tutorials. I'm a big teacher. Love to do that. Okay. That's what... Okay, this is everything that's in that first box. Alright, are you ready to open it? Can you guess what's inside? Oh, alright. Weirdo. I see what looks like a lip liner, a lippy, and a lip gloss. Now, I don't know if they're gonna match. I forget what the value of this box is, but we'll see. Wow, okay, is that a black lip liner? Like, is it really? Weirdo, is that black? Yeah, okay, so for Halloween, sure, we can have black lips if we want. Unicorn blood. This is a color he's had around for a while, so this is nothing new. Last year, at least, we had that mystery frost. Unicorn blood. Okay, that's a reddish brown. And I am more of a neutral, so I probably will not wear that. But, whatever. And the gloss. This box was the $25 box. Let's see. Ooh, this gloss. I think they're, what, 18? Oh, this is gorgeous. I can't read it from there. Crystal Climax. What a name. Okay. But this looks beautiful. This almost looks like bronze blood. The liquid lippy. So, okay. They could. Well, no. Not the black. But these two could possibly go together. Alright. So that is what we got. We got a lip liner, a liquid lip, and a gloss in the very first box. That was $25. Okay, let's go to the premium and open her up. Jackson, can you lower your voice, please? Why do more kids know at their games? Like, what is that about? Alright. I hope I'm not scaring anyone with my scissors. Okay, hang on now. I really want some of my coffee. You guys don't mind, do you? I needed that. Okay, so I forgot. This Saturday is Halloween. Oh, there's a lot of tape. Alright. I want to know why they make a black lip liner. I am apparently going to butcher this. No way. If this is blue blood, I'm gonna die. I don't even know how to. Alright. Okay. This was the $60 box, and Posh Spice is the lip liner. I'm really liking the sticker on this one, so that looks like that would go with that lip gloss. Oh yeah. Ah, and the whole thing just broke off. Look at that. Maybe I was a little rough with it. Whatever. Okay. So that's Posh Spice. Then we've got a lip gloss. And is it the same tone? No, it's not. It's a little bit lighter than the one I just got. Ooh, she's pretty. Let's look at her. Nice and clear. She's very pretty. I like her. Okay, what lippy? I got another unicorn blood. So we're going to save this for a giveaway because why do I need 2 unicorn bloods? I don't. Now this looks like it's a hat. You think I could wear it? Does that look stupid? I bet you this part does. Okay. This, I cannot believe right now that I am opening blue blood in the premium. This is a $52 palette. And I have it already. Look. Okay. Okay. Okay, did they have an overstock? I mean, I thought they were out of it on Morphe. They were like $21 at some point. I don't even know. Now, this is the big box. It's the big one, guys. Let me get my... I totally just dropped blue blood. I cannot believe I have blue blood in here. Like, are you kidding me right now? I could totally put that on Mercari if I wanted to, but to be honest with you, I'd rather give it to one of you. Because I love you all very much. Alright, this is... I got it, I think. There's supposed to be some type of shirt or something in here. Yeah, I'm just going to wind up ripping it because that's just how we're rolling today. Okay. It's kind of heavy, this one. Okay. Hang on. Sorry. What? What? Okay, there's an Extreme Frost in here, and I've never bought one of his Extreme Frosts. But look at this packaging. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. Okay. Yep, that's exactly how I feel about it. And it's in my favorite packaging. Okay. This is Calabasas lip liner. I love me some lip liners. So, oh, and these are some cool looking colors. All right, wait a minute. I'm so bad at taking these from the wrong end. But you know what? I feel like it just takes too much effort here. You know I love his packaging. Okay, this is Calabasas. We're going to put that in my... Ooh, that's a pinky kind of... You see it? Look at the extreme frost. I could put that all over my body. And of course, it broke. Like, why? Why do they break? If this is blood sugar, I'm going to die right there. I'm going to die. Okay, so we have... Alright, we got the Weirdo lip liner in black in the very first small box. And it looks like we got that lippy. So I'm all set for Halloween because a black lippy and a black... Yep. I mean, I could be Lord knows what. Anything, because that is black as anything. Or we could use it as an eyeliner. Either or, but at least we've got two weirdos now. Okay, we've got the gloss. I almost said lippy. We just opened the lippy. Another gloss. Which one? Legends Only. Which one did I get last time? Diamond Juice and Crystal Climax. These names, Jeffree, come on now. Like, for real? I think I might have this one. Do I have it? I don't want to rip the box if I do. I might have this one. So, I think I do have this one, so I'm not going to open it. It's kind of clear, but a very light tint. Okay, so we're going to go with that. And we're going to put this aside, just like we did the Unicorn Blood, because I already have one of those. Ooh, we've got a lip bullet, and it's in the shade Widow. Okay. I'm guessing this is going to be some sort of morbid kind of color. What do you think? Yeah. That looks cool. And it's heavy. And it's black. So I don't need it because I've got me a black lippy already. So let's put that aside. This has got to be a lip scrub. Oh, I've got the pineapple. No, this is not pineapple. This is... Okay. Strawberry? It's strawberry. We're going to open it from the bottom because I already have one and I'm not even like a third of the way through it. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, it smells great. But it don't look like no strawberry. But it smells amazing. Wow. Okay. I'm going to put this aside because I'm feeling generous. Definitely. Okay, so wait a minute. I was supposed to get a shirt of some kind. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm excited. What do we got? Oh, this is cute. And I got a medium. Is this a medium? Oh, it's really soft. It is a medium. Guys, look. Okay, there it is. This is definitely Halloween-ish. I could totally wear this in my black lipstick and people would be like, oh, Jeffree Star? Yeah. Oh, it feels so soft. I'm gonna wear that to bed tonight. Guys, I'm really thinking this is blood sugar, and y'all know I have it. And it's blood sugar! No way! Do you see this? I got blue blood and blood sugar. Shut up. Can you say giveaway? Wow. I could totally put them on Mercari and make whatever off of them. But you guys know you're my gems, and I love you so very much. So we are going to do a giveaway because why not? We've got 2 palettes that retail for at least $52 each. Then we've got the lips scrub. I forget what that retails for. But you got the Widow Lip Bullet and the Unicorn Blood. And then the gloss that I think I already have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items I already have. So you know what I want you to do? If you wouldn't mind, share this video out for me, like it, and comment below. Enter me and tell me which palette you want. Can you do that for me? I would appreciate that more than you could possibly know. I do love every single one of you very, 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 very much. It's obvious, right? The giveaways, look at my, that looks so corny, but I'm so keeping it like this for right now. It's fine. Anyhow, if you're new to my channel, tell me your favorite color below and which palette you would want, and then do all of the other things I asked you to do, and then you're entered, and it's cool. The giveaway will go on from the time that this video uploads until the date and time in the description box down below. And I haven't figured out when that is yet, so you'll need to look. And just remember, I love you very, very much. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you will join me for Friday's premiere as I do a beauty over 40 and bare like my soul to you with all my tips. And if not, I'll see you in another video. Bye guys. Don't forget to be subscribed. I'll see you soon.